When you search for the best power steering stop leak, it all looks the same. Same claims, same packaging, and honestly, it can get really confusing. But to find what actually works, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Lucas Oil Power Steering Leak Stopper. First up is the Lucas Oil 12 Oz Power Steering Leak Stopper Fluid. Priced at $12.98, this one's a favorite among many car owners. It caught my attention mainly because it boasts a solid 4.5-star rating from over 2,700 reviews. If you want to effectively stop leaks and maintain your power steering system, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Lucas Oil has formulated this product with a blend of special oils and petroleum-extracted additives that renew and condition worn seals. It's solvent-free, which means it's safer for your system in the long run. Plus, it's compatible with all power steering fluids, so you don't have to worry about mixing or matching. With over 600 units sold in the last month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the bottle size being a bit small for larger leaks. Here's the thing though, if you have a minor leak, this should work perfectly without needing multiple bottles. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy solution to minor leaks and want to keep your power steering system in top shape. Skip this one if you have significant leaks requiring a heavy-duty fix. For the price, it offers great value for money. Now, if the bottle size of Lucas Oil bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a larger bottle size. Product number 2, Prestone Power Steering Fluid with Stop Leak. Next is the Prestone AS262 Power Steering Fluid with Stop Leak, priced at just $5.98. With a 4.7-star rating and 2,100 reviews, this one really stands out for its affordability. If you want a budget-friendly option that still does the job well, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this product is its 50,000-mile fluid life. It includes additives specifically designed to prevent and stop leaks, which directly addresses your concerns about power steering failures. Plus, it provides anti-wear protection that extends the life of your system, safeguarding against pump failure and corrosion of metal and rubber components. This dual action makes it an excellent preventative maintenance choice. Some users mentioned it might not work as effectively on older vehicles with extensive wear. But here's the thing, if you're maintaining a newer model or a well-cared-for older car, it should perform brilliantly. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical solution to keep your steering fluid topped up and leaks at bay. Skip this one if you have an older vehicle that might require a more intensive solution. It's an incredible value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who crave a balance between performance and price. Product number 3, Blue Devil Products Power Steering Fluid. The third product is the Blue Devil Products Power Steering Fluid with Stop Leak, available for $10.85. This one has an impressive 4.7-star rating from 337 reviews. If you're looking for something that combines performance with reliability, this is worth a serious look. It improves steering performance, making your drive smoother and more enjoyable. The 1-quart bottle is perfect for those who want to tackle bigger issues without needing multiple purchases. With over 300 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among users. However, some reviews pointed out that the fluid can be a bit thick, which might not work well in very cold weather. But here's my take, if you're in a moderate climate, this shouldn't be a major concern, and the benefits far outweigh this minor drawback. This is perfect for you if you want to enhance your vehicle's performance without breaking the bank. Skip this if you live in an extremely cold area and need something thinner. It delivers great value for the performance it offers. Now, if the thickness of Blue Devil's fluid worries you, the next one on my list might have a solution for that. Product number 4, Bars Leaks High Mileage Power Steering Repair It. Next up is Bars Leaks High Mileage Power Steering Repair It, priced at $12.73. With a 4.3-star rating and over 2,800 reviews, it's clear that this product has made an impact. If you're dealing with significant noise or steering issues, this is worth a serious look. It effectively stops leaks and reconditions your rack and pinion, which is crucial for older vehicles. It's compatible with all types of power steering fluid, which is a big plus if you're not sure what you currently have in your system. Now, some folks mention that it can take a while to see results. Here's the thing though, if you're patient and let it do its work, the benefits can far exceed the initial wait. This is perfect for you if you have an older car with high mileage and want to extend its life. Skip this one if you're looking for an instant fix, as it might require some time to show results. The value is solid considering the problem it solves. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might be even better for those who need something with professional strength. Product number 5, ATP Automotive AT205 Reseal Stops Leaks. Finally, we have the ATP Automotive AT205 Reseal Stops Leaks, which is priced at $20.39. This product stands out with a whopping 4.5-star rating from over 21,800 reviews, making it a respected choice. If you're looking for a professional strength solution, this is worth a serious look. This resealer is designed to stop leaks fast and rejuvenates all rubber seals and gaskets, which is exactly what you need if you're dealing with persistent leaks. It's compatible with both conventional and synthetic oils, making it an incredibly flexible option. The fact that it doesn't contain petroleum distillates means it won't overswell or break down seals, which is crucial for long-term use. However, some users reported it taking time to work effectively. That said, if you want something that's safe for all types of seals, this is a trade-off that's often worth it. This is perfect for you if you're tired of constant leaks and want a reliable, long-term fix. Skip this one if you need a quick, temporary solution, as it requires some time to take full effect. While it's on the pricier side, the results justify the cost. So to wrap it up, Lucas Oil is great for minor leaks. Prestone is your budget-friendly option. Blue Devil balances performance and price. Bars Leaks is perfect for high-mileage vehicles. And ATP Automotive offers professional strength. Each product has its strengths, so pick the one that suits your needs best.